we is going up off the road.
Yes, it is. Hold on. You'll see, my love. You'll see.
How you doing? I like your earring. Oh, I like both of them. You ready, Doodles? Say hi. You say hey to the vlog? You like, get that shit out my face. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to invade your personal space. Yeah, so I gotta go get hot dog rolls because I can't eat hot dogs on regular bread. And it's that serious. I made some chili and it's so good. So now I'm gonna put it on some hot dogs with some cheese. Okay, got the chili. I'm about to I got the dogs. I got the dogs. Probably gonna freeze the rest of this chili. Just showing y'all what the vibes are. Eating my chili dog and my chips.
In order to judge someone's ESP capabilities. The experiment works like this. Someone lies in a chair in a red lit room. And white or pink noise, which is basically static, is played at a low frequency. This causes the user to experience mild visual and audio guides and all of your favorite.
I'm still watching conspiracy theory videos, but I decided to just start braiding my hair like in smaller sections. Last time, I normally do it like flat ones and they're parted much bigger. Look at how this is bending like that. They normally like way bigger than this, but I decided to do them smaller because I want to see how my fro will come out if I do them smaller. Now, granted, my hair is so, how do you say, like, it's not thin, but it's like, once it's separated, the texture isn't as thick, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. But, because of that, trying to braid them this low, I can't really get the ends, like, grip them. So I've just been trying to twist the ends. And I don't know if it's gonna come out right because I feel like my ends are gonna not be like right. I don't know how to explain it. Obviously, I'm not a hairstylist, but we'll see how this comes out. I never finished my hair, by the way. Whatever, I'll finish in the morning. I'm in here rewatching Manifest because a new season came out. Whole time, let me pause it. A new season came out, and I'm like, oh yeah, I'm about to start watching season 4. Whole time, I'm like, when the fuck did I watch season 3? Then I try to start over from season 3 because I don't remember it. And whole time I'm like, okay, so apparently I never watched season 2. What the fuck's going on? So I'm just watching the whole thing over from the beginning, and I'm just remembering how much of a bitch Jerry is. Like, Jerry is such a fucking bitch. I'm only on the first episode and I'm just like, I've been calling Jared a bitch this whole time. I don't even like that word. I don't even actually call people bitches in real life. I don't even like calling men bitches. But this bitch, he's a bitch. Like, Jared is really a bitch. Yo didn't even show up to see my girl at the fucking airport. Then he gonna have the nerve to say, you broke those ducks out because of me. Ain't nobody worried about you, Jared. You're a fucking bitch and you married my girl fucking best friend. You married my girl best friend. Out of all these bitches in the world, you married the girl best friend. Jared is a bitch. Jared is a fucking bitch. Then as soon as she broke that case, now is you still take my breath away. No, 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 no. Keep all that. Keep all that. Keep all that. No, because where was all of this energy at when you left me fucking at the motherfucking airport after 5.5 motherfucking years? Well, for her, it was only 2 days, I think, a couple hours really. And this nigga didn't even like. Then it's the fact that she had to go hunt you down at the police department just to see your face, and then find out that you married her best friend. You didn't even have the decency to go see that girl at the airport and really sit her down and really let her know what was going on. At least the fucking brother, his wife, at least she played house for a little bit before she told him like, yeah, I actually started dating somebody while you was gone. Like, he didn't even show up for my girl and then try to make it all about him. Like, Jared is a bitch. And I'm going to continue to feel like he's a bitch for the rest of these seasons. I don't care. I just want to show that I finished my hair braids. I've never worn my hair like this before. It's actually really cute. I like it. I like it. It's different. My hair getting so long, bro. Can you believe last June I shaved all my hair off? Going through a fucking midlife crisis. I cut all my shit off last summer. And it's just growing so fast. Like, and I haven't even really been doing anything to it. Like, I haven't been deliberately trying to make it grow. I just been like leaving it alone, letting her do her thing, letting her do what she want to do. I don't know how long I'm gonna wear it like this before I finally take it out. But I could definitely see myself like actually wearing this, like doing something to it. I don't know. I guess it depends on the outfit. But I don't really have anything else to put in this vlog. I don't want to make it hella long just for the sake of making it long. So I'm going to close this out. And then, yeah. So just thanks for watching. And, I've been noticing that, like, y'all been watching my videos, but haven't been hitting the like button. Yeah, I'm going to need you to do that. Okay, thanks. Bye.